crazy strong wind in North Hollywood right now. Today is October 26th. Oh, it's such a crazy wind. You can hear the sound.
There's some dust in the air.
Yeah, you see a dust, Stella?
I saw dust.
Yes, it's pretty crazy.
But there's lots of air. Man, it's cold.
It's cold.
I was freezing when I was doing Zoom. I needed a blanket. I mean, it's kind of cold, windy. To me, it's kind of a nice day, but it's very windy.
Ooh.
I believe there's lots of dust in the air
Yep.
because the dust probably is getting in all the wind of the trees. I mean, look how windy it
I think
is.
we should close the window because it's the dust gonna come in.
Yeah.
All right, let's see when this wind gonna stop. Apparently, it's gonna be like couple days like this in South Los Angeles, South California actually. Not
Do we-
only Los Angeles, but South California.
Are we at South California?
Yes, we live in South California, Los Angeles County.
Ooh.
Oh, let's close the window.
Let me just move the curtain.
All right,
There we go.
good job, girl.
Yeah.